Hey, what's up guys? I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video, I will show you an app that you guys might be missing out on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra or on your Galaxy devices. So if you want to have some more battery features like battery saving features or some battery related features, so you can install this Find Lock application. This Find Lock application is quite similar to the Good Lock application, as from this Find Lock application, you can get an access to all these Lockstar, Clockface or Registrar, almost all the apps of the Good Lock. Or like as you can see, this Good Lock application is available. So if the Good Lock application is not available in your country, you can download this Find Lock application from the Play Store and download it. So there are some Guardian features that we will be checking out today, and these are available in this Find Lock application. But before installing these apps, you will have to first of all turn off your auto blocker, as you will have to install the APK. As you can see, you will have to download the APK to get an access to these applications. And if you want to install, first of all you will have to turn off your auto blocker. From the settings, you will have to go into your security and privacy, and from here you will have to select this auto blocker and turn it off, as auto blocker prevents the side loading of APKs, so you will have to turn it off. And after turning it off, you will have to install this Battery Guardian from the APK. And as you can see, this is the Battery Guardian application and this is how it looks like. It has many features by which you can save the battery of your device. For example, this first feature is available with the name of Screen Curtain. So now even if the screen is turned off, the app is still running. If you need to run an app for a long time, try this Screen Curtain mode. Your app will keep running in the background and it will just provide a curtain. But this Screen Curtain mode is not available during the calls, during the playing of games, or during YouTube or YouTube Music. You can also add a quick settings button directly from here by simply tapping on this add option. And after tapping on add, you will get to see a Screen Curtain option in the control center. As you can see, if I will swipe right, you will get to see this option of Screen Curtain, and this is how it looks like. And to turn it off, you just have to simply double tap or single tap on your power button. You can also add some shortcuts to turn on or off the Screen Curtain. As you can see, there are some accessibility gestures that you can try to turn on or off these curtain shortcuts. Next, you can apply standard refresh rate to the multiple apps. The standard refresh rate like 60Hz will be applied to some apps. For that, you just have to simply turn it on and click on this plus icon and select the apps you want to run in 60Hz or standard refresh rate. The selected apps will run in the standard refresh rate while the other apps will run in the full 120Hz refresh rate. Do let me know in the comment section that if you want to see a detailed video on it. Next up, it also has some more power saving features like turning on the battery saving during the bedtime, as by turning it on, it will limit the performance and extend the battery life. You can select the start and end time. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was the Battery Guardian app that you guys might be missing out, so do check it out on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra or on your Samsung Galaxy devices. Also, do let me know in the comment section that how you like this app, and if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.